Good day, ma'am. I'm Marjorie C. Rivas, first year BSM, Blastocyst, and I have 10 members in my family, and mga lang ko pasensya mo wala ko pictures sa akong lolo o lola kung sa ako ang kuya. First, I introduce my grandfather. His name Rolando Havana Pugit, and he is the leader of Manubo tribe in Casapa, Loreto, Agusan del Sur. Also, my grandmother, her name is Milagrosa Bagasina Kugit. She is a Waray in Samal. And also, I introduce to you, ma'am, my mother. My mother, her name is Mary Ann Bagasina Kugit, and this is my father, Jewel Bihag Rivas. My mother is a housewife and my father is a farmer. And also, my oldest brother, wala siya picture, kaya wala ko picture sa iya. Then, I introduce to you, his name is Jumari Kugit Rivas, and also myself, I'm Marjorie Kugit Rivas. And also my third sister, her name Jasmine Kugit Rivas. And I introduce to you my brother-in-law, husband of my sister, Give Heart Balanban, and this is my nephew. His name Prince Kale Balanban. And this is my fourth sister, Mary Jane Kugit Rivas. She's now continues schooling. And this is my fourth brother. This is my only one junior in this family. His name, Jewel Kugit Rivas Jr. And this is my younger brother. His name is Nicolas Kugit Rivas. All, ma'am, I already introduced my family members. Thank you.